Guys, this is Miko Siddiqui, your real estate industry leader. Business is booming. You know what to do tonight. I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to chime on, and then I want you to, over on the left-hand side, hit the share button. On the right, hit the hearts, because you know I want to love you back. So tonight we're going to be talking about the nasty truth about real estate and your real estate agent. Who are they really representing? So I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to chime on before I start talking. Good evening. Hey, how you guys doing tonight? Hello, hello. Hey, John Thomas, how are you? Welcome. Hey, you guys. Welcome, welcome. Hey, James Davis, good to see you. Hey, Yolanda, how you doing? All right, you guys, do me a favor. Hey, Wilmore Hicks, do me a favor on the left-hand side. Hit the share button if you will. Tonight we're going to be talking about the dirty, dark secret of real estate, the backside that sometimes you guys don't know about. If you're in the market to list your property, and you're thinking that you hired a wonderful agent, and you end up in multi-counter situation because in this market, it's a healthy market. You know what we tend to end up with is a lot of buyers in this market. And when we end up with buyers, they call our telephone, they come to our open houses, and you know what they're asking? They're asking about, will you be my real estate agent? Will you represent me? And what the real estate agent is thinking about in that moment is, ooh, 5% here commission, 6% commission instead of the 2.5 or instead of the 3. So at the end, what happens to you as the listing person, as the seller? Your agent is representing their offer. They're not representing all the other offers that they got as well. So I want to make sure that you know this. So if you end up in a situation where your listing agent brings you an offer and it's only their offer, I want you to ask them, was there more than one offer? And if there was, you want to see all the other offers. And when they bring them, tell them you want to do a multi-counter before you accept their client's offer, and you want to see all the multi-counters before you accept it. Because a lot of times what agents will do will bring you their client's offer and no one else's, because it's two things happening. One, they're going to represent the buyer and the seller and get paid for both. And then they're going to turn around and list that other person, the buyer, they're going to become the selling agent for them as well. And that happens a lot of times. And at the end of the day, you don't even know that you have an opportunity to create more money for yourself. So there is a dark side to real estate, and I want you to know that. So you guys, good evening. This is Miko Siddiqui, your real estate industry leader. Do me a favor, hit the share button on the left-hand side and hit the hearts on the right. Hey, Jeff Bond, it's good to see you. Hey, Tanisha, good to see you too. So this is Miko giving you guys your tip that if you end up in a multi-counter situation like I did with my listing over in Sacramento, where a lot of buyers came to me, I had, I think 5 or 6 people asking me to represent them. I ended up not representing any of them at all at the end of the day, and we multi-countered. I ended up with $35,000 more for the seller than it would have been if I would have been trying to represent them myself. So that's your tip tonight, you guys. There is a dark side to real estate, and I want you to protect yourself by knowing what your options are when it comes to your real estate agent. You guys have a good night. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.